roasted tilapia. Let's start. We'll be seasoning 3 tilapia fillets. Arrange fillets in a single layer on baking sheet. Salt. Ground black pepper. Paprika. Rosemary. Lemon juice. Turn it over to the other side and apply seasoning. Salt. Ground black pepper. Paprika. Rosemary. Lemon juice. Roast for 12 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Please don't forget to subscribe. Be careful, it's hot. Let us check the internal temperature. The internal temperature of fish should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit for safe consumption. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.